Yung RCBC Only Installment is feature siya ng card wherein pwede mong i-convert into installment yung straight purchases mo. So for example, meron kang big ticket item na binili and malaki yung amount. What you can do is to convert that into installment. Pwede mo siyang gawin sa app. Ilang beses ko na nagamit tong feature neto ni RCBC. Actually, recently, bumili kami ng ref for our convenience store business. And kinuha ko siya ng straight payment. Tapos ang ginawa ko, in-installment ko na lang siya using this feature. Talagang super ganda niya. Pagka 3 months mo lang siya kinuha, 0% siya. So super ganda talaga kasi you don't have to pay for interest. Pero you have to pay for the transaction. So meron siyang processing fee. Pagka below 10,000, it's 100 pesos. Pagka 10 to 30,000, it's 200 pesos. And if it's 30,000 or more, it's 1% of the transaction amount. Kung may nagtatanong sa inyo, kung pwedeng mas matagal, yes, pwedeng mas matagal up to 36 months. Pero hindi siya 0%. I think 1% ata siya. I don't really recommend that kasi medyo mataas yung interest rate niya.